Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to paint a refrigerator. First, ensure your refrigerator is completely empty and unplugged, then move it to a well-ventilated area for safety. This crucial step prevents food spoilage and ensures you have ample space to work around the appliance comfortably. Adequate ventilation is absolutely essential for dissipating paint fumes and ensuring a safe, pleasant painting experience for everyone involved. Before applying any paint, a deep clean is absolutely vital. Use a heavy-duty degreaser to meticulously scrub away all grease, grime, and food residue from every surface of your refrigerator. After cleaning, lightly sand the entire exterior with 220 grit sandpaper to create a bonding surface for the primer and paint. Finally, carefully mask off door handles, hinges, and rubber gaskets using painter's tape to protect them from paint splatter and ensure clean lines. Once your refrigerator is clean and prepped, it's time for primer. Apply a rust-inhibiting, appliance-specific primer to all surfaces you plan to paint. Whether using spray cans or a roller, maintain a distance of about 8 to 10 inches for even coverage and avoid heavy drips. Apply 2 thin coats, allowing each coat to dry for at least 1 hour before adding the next, ensuring excellent adhesion for your top coat. For the top coat, choose an appliance epoxy paint, which is extremely durable and designed for this specific use. Apply your paint in thin, consistent layers, working from top to bottom in small sections. Many projects benefit from 2 to 3 coats of paint. Allow a minimum of 2 hours of drying time between each application. Patience here prevents drips and ensures a factory-like, professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.